Huawei Mobile Wi-Fi hotspot. How to hide Wi-Fi SSID from others. Yes, you are listening well. Many times it happens that our neighbors, our relatives, or many people keep on asking us about that. Please give me the Wi-Fi password of your dongle hotspot because they able to see you in the Wi-Fi search section. But if you hide your Wi-Fi SSID from others, then after that they not able to search you in the Wi-Fi, and then you can easily say that I don't have any Wi-Fi hotspot or Wi-Fi connection for you. Then how we can do so? First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now what we have to do, we have to just connect our Huawei mobile Wi-Fi hotspot via Wi-Fi to our laptop computer wherever we want to do so, and after that go to 192.168.8.1, press enter. Now you will be asked about the admin password, that is by default admin, and if you have changed then please enter that password. I'm just gonna enter the password and clicking on the login. After that you will be taken to the page like this, and from there you have to go to this advanced section over here and go to this Wi-Fi security settings. After that you will see the Wi-Fi SSID name and password is enabled. Now you have to click on this pencil icon for edit these settings. Now over here you will find that hide Wi-Fi. Click on that, and after that you have to click on this save button. When you click on this save button, your Wi-Fi will be hide, and after that you have to enter that manually like that. And if you want to make it easy, you can easily remove that and keep this only. And after that you have to just go to the Wi-Fi, search for the private network and enter that name, and enter this one is password, and just enjoy. Hope you understand that how you can easily hide the Wi-Fi password, oh sorry, hide the Wi-Fi from others of your Huawei mobile Wi-Fi hotspot. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.